A lower sodium diet can help you manage health problems such as high blood pressure and kidney disease. However, many people who try to limit the sodium in their diet are unable to do so. Here are 5 tips to help you lower your sodium intake. Give up as many prepackaged foods as possible. Salt is added to many canned and frozen foods to help preserve them and to make sure they appeal to your taste buds. Choose no-sodium versions instead and season them on your own. Dine out at restaurants less frequently. When a restaurant serves you a meal, they want you to enjoy it so much that you repeatedly come back. To make it appealing, they add lots of salt to their food so that the first bite grabs you and pulls you in. By cutting down on your visits to restaurants, you'll naturally lower your salt intake. Create abundant flavor at home by experimenting with citrus, vinegar, fresh or dried herbs, and different spices such as za'atar seasoning or herbs de Provence. Add umami to your cooking routine. Mushrooms, tomatoes, or a little Parmesan cheese boost the taste profile of a dish without adding extra salt. Make it spicy. A fiery dose of jalapenos, smoked paprika, or red pepper flakes can liven up the flavor just as much as a dash of salt. To sign up for more health tips from the Cooking Doc newsletter, please visit www.thecookingdoc.co.